You ready?
Yeah. Grandma, penna.
You get to open one. It's Christmas Eve, 2009. Bella's right there watching.
I don't know. Let's open it.
What is it? What is it?
Walkie-talkie.
Nuh-uh.
We're gonna have so much fun with that.
Yeah?
In bed. You can talk to him. Lay down. Go to sleep.
Disciplinary.
Yeah.
They're for discipline.
You know what that is? Walkie-talkie. Let's play with it. Yeah. 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 I've always wanted one. Oh, and that is good. That was a little girl. Did you hear that?
Caleb, what do you think that is? Bella, out. Bella, lay down.
You have to screwdriver it.
Okay.
This is so cool.
Caleb, say thank you.